Upgrade to the Google Nest Learning Thermostat and experience the future of home comfort and energy savings. This smart thermostat learns your habits and helps you save money. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. The Google Nest Learning Thermostat, 4th Gen, is not just a thermostat, it's a smart home essential. It's designed to save energy, keep your home comfortable, and ensure your heating and cooling systems run smoothly. This thermostat learns your preferred temperatures and adjusts automatically. It adapts to your routine, even as it changes, ensuring optimal comfort and energy efficiency. The Nest thermostat works with Alexa and Google Home for voice control. Adjust the temperature from anywhere using your phone with the Google Home app. It's also Matter compatible, making integration into your smart home seamless. The included Nest temperature sensor helps manage hot and cold spots in your home. The Nest Learning Thermostat can help save an average of 12% on heating bills and 15% on cooling bills. Its new natural heating and cooling feature learns how the outside temperature affects your home's temperature. Adaptive Eco Mode uses the outside temperature to find an energy-saving temperature when you're away. It returns to a comfortable temperature shortly before you arrive home. With a 60% larger display and dynamic farsight, you can easily see information from across the room. Choose a design like a clock or the weather, and the brightness adjusts automatically. Installation is easy, and most homes don't require a C-wire. Check compatibility on the Nest Compatibility Checker to ensure a smooth setup. With an average of 4.4 stars from over 800 reviews, customers love the Google Nest Learning Thermostat. Many praise its easy installation, smart features, and energy-saving capabilities. One user raves about the easy setup and operation, highlighting its sleek design. Another user loves how the update lets you pick any room's temperature sensor to base the heating and cooling. The Google Nest Learning Thermostat, 4th Gen, is available in polished obsidian, polished silver, and polished gold. Choose the color that best complements your home decor. Each color option offers the same smart features and energy-saving benefits. Select the perfect finish to add a touch of elegance to your home. Ready to experience the future of home comfort and energy savings? Check out the affiliate link in the description below. It's the best way to get the latest pricing and any special promotions through Rick's Review Hub. Your support helps keep these reviews coming, so thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, share it with friends, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Drop a comment if you've used this thermostat or have questions. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.